Day 10 of building a computer part by part until I'm done. 10 days, that's pretty cool. Hello to all new viewers, and hello to you all lads as well. Your kind comments warm my heart, and I wish to thank you, and I wish you as much joy as your comments bring me. I've reached the point where I mount the CPU cooler to the CPU itself. It's a Be Quiet Shadow Rock 3, by the way. Yes, I am forgetting thermal paste, but I want to push further with the build and don't really need the paste right now. Follow for a new part tomorrow, and thank you.
See you later.